Hey, oh, 250 capital G, y'all come on in. I got everything you need from live videos to skits to stories to journalism and much more. Kick back, relax, and bring your A game.
Direction and serenity. Let's go.
Yo, Michael T. Porter here. Welcome to the 250 Gemstones Culture channel. This is a channel that represents a nation of people that strive for excellence and greatness every single day. I got another bomb episode for y'all, but before I begin, y'all hit that like button, that subscribe button, that share button, that notification bell. Pass me around, Facebook, Instagram, and all other social media platforms, and y'all know how I feel about my ching. If you'd like to support the channel, Cash App, $Michael US. Also, check out my Spotify podcast, the 250 Gemstones Culture podcast. Link is in the description. Don't forget to join the membership. I got another story for y'all. A woman's legs have been mummified due to an infection. This is why I am very careful about what I eat, where I go, and the company I keep. Because not everybody's clean. Not everybody is tidy. I'm going to play this video for y'all, and I'm going to be right back with you to give you my opinion. Let's go. Let's check out this mess here. This is according to the New York Post. Texas teacher's limbs became mummified after infection, and she thought it was just a cold. This article is written by Alex Oliveira. A Texas high school teacher who had all 4 of her limbs amputated after they turned black and became mummified following a seemingly routine infection, she says, choosing to be happy despite the horrifying ordeal. Sherry Moody, 51, who taught students in Deer Park outside of Houston, started feeling what she thought was a cold coming on during a class trip in April 2023 and paid it little mind. But within days, she found herself running in high fever. After waking up one night with trouble breathing, she went to the hospital. I've never gone to the ER before in my life, Sherry told Today.com. I was very healthy, very in shape. I ate right, exercised. Doctors determined she was suffering from double pneumonia, which they said had been brought on by a streptococcus, the bacteria that causes strep throat. Her body had gone into septic shock, a life-threatening response to infection, which severely drops the body's blood pressure. Oh, man. I had to Google what sepsis was. I had no idea. We're pretty healthy people, her husband Dave told Today. I recognized real quick that we were in a severe situation. I was scared to pieces. Complicating the matter was an arthritis medication Sherry had been taking, which weakened her body's ability to fight infection. The medication supposed to help her. It weakened the body to even fight off the infection. So her body could have possibly fight off the infection if she wasn't taking that damn medication. Whew. David described Sherry's ordeal as like a Category 5 hurricane coming in. She had nothing left to fight with. It's like she went to war with no soldiers. Oh my goodness. Sherry refused to let her life be defined by what she suffered. She said she chose happiness. Sherry, the mother of a grown son, was put into a coma by doctors who treated her with drugs that fought to return blood flow back to her vital organs at the expense of circulation in her arms and legs. So they needed the blood flow, but she don't have enough circulation to go through the whole body. So they had to chop her up a little bit. I literally watched my wife's feet and hands die. Horrifying photos show just that. Sherry sitting on the edge of a hospital bed with tubes running from her body and her hands and legs hanging black and limp. They were black and they were mummified. After saving her life, doctors determined Sherry's arms and legs needed to be amputated below the elbows and knees. She told Today that she cried at first but felt calm despite the life-changing news. The amputations were performed in June 2023, and by August, she was back home. David and Sherry, high school sweethearts who graduated from the same high school where Sherry taught, are adjusting to the new realities of their life together. Once again, if you guys want to check out this article, NewYorkPost.com. This is absolutely crazy. But one thing I would have to say, this is just one of the most bizarre stories, sad stories I've ever covered. I'll meet y'all on the other side. Let's go. Y'all like my opinion? Would y'all like some of this 250 gemstones commentary? Of course you do. That's why your ass is here. Man, it started with sepsis, septococcus, however you pronounce it. That stuff, I don't want no parts of that. I don't know how people contract it. I don't know where, who. I would like to know where you get this stuff so I can stay away from it. It's unfortunate. I don't know how she even have the courage to even go on with life. Very beautiful woman. Very beautiful woman. I don't know if it was something to do with that trip. I believe it's something on that trip, on that field trip. I also believe how she got it was from one of them kids. Kids are disgusting. Now, it's either the kids, wherever they went on that field trip, maybe her body had a bad reaction. Maybe there was something out there, change of weather. They said she had double pneumonia. I never even heard of that. How do you go on a trip and you lose all the circulation throughout your body? Let me make sure I pronounce this right, because this word, because I want to know, I want to stay far away from this word, because this is absolutely crazy. How you go on a field trip and you come back with no legs? Streptococcus. This bacteria, I believe this bacteria is on that field trip. But most importantly, I also believe that medication, that damn medication did it. Medication is probably one of the most untrustworthy things on earth. Politicians, medication, police, these are things you can't trust. You can't trust. You can go ahead and throw the food in there now. Some of the foods called blindness. It disrupts the reproductive system. Yellow 5, look it up. Medication is the reason why she lost all her limbs, because if she wasn't on that medication, I honestly believe she would have had a far better chance of keeping all her damn legs and arms. Lady lost all her legs, her dignity, her beauty, her respect. She's still beautiful in the face, but she has no arms. Turned her legs black. Streptococcus. Let's see where you get this stuff so we can educate ourselves real quick. But this is absolutely crazy. A strep bacteria are spread by direct contact with bodily fluids such as secretions from the nose and throat or wound drainage from an infected person. Casual contact as in work and school. Did y'all hear that? And household items like toys rarely play any role in spreading bacteria. So it's contacted by just people sneezing and bodily fluids. I told you them kids got her sick. Streptococci are bacteria commonly found in the throat and on the skin. People may carry GAS in the throat or on the skin and not become ill. So it's on the skin too. It's on the skin. But this one says bodily fluids, secretions from the nose and throat. So it's mucus, snot, saliva. Oh my God. Or a wound drainage, blood, mucus, saliva. Y'all stay away from me. Think about that. You can get that from a person. You can kiss a person and lose your legs and your arms. You can lose your arms and your legs. And I want to question What medication was she taking? I wonder if they can get some money. Do y'all think she can get some money for this? Do y'all believe that she can get a few million from whatever pharmaceutical company that manufactured this medication? Because they said the medication weakened her immune system. The immune system is what fights off bacteria like, hold on, let me get the word, streptococcus. The medication weakened her immune system so she couldn't fight strepto. Y'all flood my comments. What do y'all think about this story? Human contact, medication. 250, capital G. I'm gone.